Hi there, good evening. This is Scott at Scott Trades on Twitter with StockMarketMentor.com and your chart of the day. Want to follow up on RMBS. This is a stock that we talked about last week for the chart of the day, and this trade is working out great. It's actually my biggest position right now. And here's what I saw last week, and here's what I'm doing with it now. So as I mentioned last week, I saw this clear level of resistance, this downward sloping trend line, resistance here, broke down, got under the 50-day, reported earnings, the market liked it, and pushed it right back above the 50-day moving average. It retested this move. You can see how it dropped under the 50-day. The buyers stepped up, and then they had to reach higher to grab those shares that they wanted. So this stock is now in motion and made an all-time high today and did it on a nice pickup in volume. So what am I doing with this trade now? Now I'm just trying to let it work. My job now that the trend is in motion is just to try and hang on as long as possible. And so I've moved a few stops up to break even, and I even put a stop just near the end of the day today, right under today's intraday low. And ideally, this stock can hold above this level and continue higher, or at least consolidate this move, let these moving averages catch up to price, and then take off again and make another new all-time high. So at this point in the trade, in my opinion, you got to ratchet up those stops. It should not be a loss at this point, especially if you bought this last week when we talked about it for the chart of the day. So that's what I'm doing with RMBS. I'm glad it's working for me. Maybe it's working for you too. And if you want to see what else we're up to over at StockMarketMentor.com, they don't all work. But when they don't, we have a process to mitigate those losses. And you can see it right now if you're not a member at StockMarketMentor.com. Take a trial, and hopefully I'll see you on the other side.